So we're out again with the little jet, and we've 3D printed a little FPV. Oops. We've 3D printed a little FPV pod for it. So we've got a little hole in the back there, so it mounts in right. Little camera all in one system there, just taped in there. Just held in there with some cable ties. The battery underneath. Now this I've done a mod to, and this is runs off a 12 volt battery, and it steps down through that to 5 volt. The reason I did that, just so that I could plug this into a quadcopter without having to swap over. So anyway, so little pod. This is version 2. I've got a version 3. I've made this a little bit wider. That's just not wide enough, and it's about 2mm too short, so I've extended this out the 2mm. So haven't printed that yet. You've got about 5 hours of printing there. So I'm just wondering whether all those slots that I've put in there are in the right spot. Need some holes. I put a hole in the center there so I could mount the battery underneath and run the wiring up through there, but I don't know whether that's going to impinge on the actual battery that's inside. So when it's all said and done, you can see there how it's just a little bit too wide, and in there it just clicks into place, and you just move that back. You can see you can see there we've got it clicked into place, but it could be a couple of mil longer. So, and that's how she's going to sit with the pod. So we might do something sexy with it. We might add some features where we can actually add a battery to it, or we might just keep it as it is. So we'll take it for a run and we'll see how we go.